Hi guys, welcome back to the NeoTech channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to show you how you can send an invite to a friend or someone that would like to be a part of your channel or a part of your server on Discord. Now the first thing to do is to go to the server on Discord or go to the channel, and once you're on the channel you'd see this drop down right here. Click on it and then you'll see invite people here. Click on it and then you'd see the option to copy the link to send the invite to such persons that you'd want to join your channel. However, you can further modify the link settings by clicking on settings right there, and then you can set the expiration for the link from 30 minutes to never expire, and then you can as well set the max number of users that can join the platform or join your channel using this link. You can set from 1 user to about 100 users. Alright, so once you are sure of your preference, you can go ahead and generate a new link, and then you can copy the Discord link and then you can send it to the users that you want to join you on your channel on Discord. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and I'll see you in the next one.